Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Our automated system precisely controls the thickness of each slice, ensuring that every chip fries to a perfect, consistent crisp.
Watch the quality on that next pallet. We need to clear this shipment before the next one arrives.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how potato chips are manufactured to have Brio Bushons, from start to finish.